Declan here with another video, and today I'm just going to discuss a European stock, the company Nestle, which we all know very well, I'm sure, the cereal manufacturer. So and a number of other products as well, as we're all aware of. So you can see here on the 4-hourly chart on the Etoro platform, and Nestle has traded at highs of 129.80 all the way down to 105.64. Not major fluctuations, but you can see it here on the chart. And now I'll just go on to the 1-minute chart now for Nestle. And you can see there there's been a fair bit of bullishness in the last, say, half an hour, but then dipped down, and it's dipping down again at the moment. Like, when you're trading any stock, be it European stock or American stock, always set your stop loss and be aware that there are going to be fluctuations. As I said, Nestle has traded from 129.80 at its peak down to 105.64. Like, some other stocks fluctuate quite a bit more. But yeah, Nestle is a very well respected and well established company. So I'm just, yeah, as you can see now, there's a bit of hesitation here between buyers and sellers. Okay, sellers are winning out again as it started to dip down again. So yeah, it is interesting to keep an eye on European stocks as well as American stocks, because, well, I myself here live in Ireland, and yeah, there's plenty of different stocks on offer in Ireland. Loads of in Europe as a whole, very well established companies that are well over 100 years old. So in the next number of videos, I will be talking about European stocks as well as American stocks, because I feel that people need to will want to know about European stocks as well, and not just American stocks, because, like, we're living in Europe, I'm living in Ireland, and I want to make you aware of companies that you may have overlooked or never even thought about if you were, say, had a demo account or a real account. But these are publicly traded companies on the stock market, and they're well worth looking into. So what I will do now is just take you on to an article about the history of Nestle Processing Conglomerate Corporation, headquartered in Vevey, Vaud, Switzerland. It is the largest publicly held food drinks processing company in the world, measured by revenue and other metrics since 2014. It was ranked number 64 on the Fortune Global 500 in 2017 and number 33 in the 2016 edition of Forbes Global 2000 list of the largest public companies. Nestle products include baby food, medical food, bottled water, breakfast cereals, coffee and tea, confectionery, dairy products, ice cream, frozen foods, pet foods and snacks. 29 of Nestle's brands have annual sales of over 1 billion Swiss franc, because it's a Swiss company, including Nespresso, Nescafe, KitKat, Smarties, Nesquik, Vittel and Maggi. And just another interesting point is Nestle has 447 factories operating in 189 countries and employs around 339 people. So Nestle is a major and well-established company. It is one of the main shareholders of L'Oreal, the world's largest cosmetics company. So it was founded in 1867. The company grew significantly during World War I and again following World War II, expanding its offerings beyond its early condensed milk and infant formula. The company has made a number of corporate acquisitions, including Cross and Blackwell in 1950, Findus in 1963, Libby's in 1971, Rowntree Mackintosh in 1988, Klein in 1998, and Gerber in 2007. So, yeah, I just said I'd make you aware of Nestle stock, the European companies that are publicly traded on the stock market, as well as the American ones. And this is just the history of the company. I always like to know, even though I've only a small trading account, I always like to know the ins and outs of the company, how they've performed over the last number of years, how long they're in existence, how their balance sheets have been doing, how their earnings per share have been doing, and what their future projections are going forward. So, in other words, looking into the future stability of the company before I buy shares in any company. So, yeah, I'll wrap it up there, and please like and subscribe if you did gain value in this video. And thanks for watching, and Ian, take care.